Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch video. I just wanted to do another review on this watch with the I don't know if you guys remember, but I had a video of the Tourbillon watch, the black Tourbillon watch from Olevs, and I did, when I reviewed it, it had this leather strap on it. This watch is about $130 on Amazon right now, and I got this watch for about half price in the Amazon marketplace, or the Amazon warehouse. I got really lucky on it, but the problem was this watch did have a problem with the band, which it had a broken strap, which I had to flush cut. But the second strap was functional and it did work. It was a little scuffed. I don't know if you guys remember this from the video, but it had a little scuff there, and the first primary strap was missing, and it was fine to wear. I liked the watch, but honestly, I didn't care for the leather strap. I kept thinking all the time it would look much better with a metal bracelet, and I think I was right. Let me know what you guys think. This is the strap that was on it. Maybe you like leather, but for me, I did not care for the leather strap on it. So I actually purchased another bracelet that matched it, and I put that on. So I just wanted to do a review on that for you guys, and just show you what it looked like when I finished it. So that's the finished product. It was not too terribly difficult to replace the strap on it, but it did come with these spacers, these curved spacers, because obviously when it was attached with the band, it was actually sitting there. But when you put this on, you wanted to make sure that it molded with the case. So it was very important to get the right size. I had to measure it, and I believe this one was, I think it was 20 millimeters, but you really want to make sure that measurement's correct, because you don't want this to be too short, and you want to make sure these actually fit. So basically it was pretty simple to get off, but it was, overall it was pretty simple, but it was kind of, you have to make sure you do it right, because you could scratch the case if you do it wrong. And fortunately I was able to figure it all out and get that on there, and get the pin through. But honestly, I mean, I got this watch on Amazon, or this bracelet on Amazon for around $20. So the whole amount of money that I have into this watch right now is roughly in the neighborhood of $80, and it was a, like I said, it was a $130 watch. I believe it's listed on Amazon right now, and I'll post a link for it so you guys can actually click on it if you like this watch. So yeah, just wanted to do an updated video showing you guys how it came out after I changed the bracelet out, because I said I was going to do that, and I just wanted to make sure I did that for you. But still a very beautiful watch. I think it's even more beautiful now with the black metal bracelet than it was with the black leather. For some reason, I felt like the black leather cheapened the look of the watch, and I think it really made it sharp when I changed out the bracelet. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that, and let you know how it came out and what it looked like, and do another short little review on it. And now I love the watch even more than I did before. So it's even an even better deal than I got the first time, now that I've got the band that I think makes it look nice. So again, I'll keep coming out with some more watch videos for you guys, and if you like them, like, subscribe, thumbs up. Give me the thumbs up, guys. It really helps out. Subscriptions really help out too. So if you want to see these videos keep on coming, that's what we need to get done. So again, have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next watch video.